students, today we are going to start scapula. So starting with the basic definition, that is, it is a flat triangular bone in your upper back commonly known as the shoulder blade. तो scapula एक्चुअली में एक फ्लैट ट्रायंगुलर बोन है that is located in our upper back. अब scapula के कुछ बेसिक चीज़ें हमें पता होनी चाहिए, that is how many angles we have, how many borders a scapula have, how many foci and how many processes are there. तो मैंने each and every एंगल, बॉर्डर्स, फोसाई और प्रोसेसेस को अलग अलग कलर्स से डिफ्रेंशिएट किया है. स्टार्टिंग विद द थ्री एंगल्स, वी हैव थ्री एंगल्स, दैट इज सुपीरियर एंगल, inferior angle and the lateral angle. So superior angle, that is located here, lateral angle and the inferior angle. We have three borders, that is superior border here, that is on the upper and on the upper tip of the scapula. We have medial border, that is on the sides, and lastly the lateral border. Okay, we have three foci, that is supraspinous fossa, infraspinous fossa, and lastly subscapular fossa. इसके साथ साथ we have three processes, that is spine, acromion and coracoid process. So this is the acromion process, coracoid process. This is the glenoid cavity in which the humerus bone is attached, and we have the spine part. This is the spine part. Okay, we have a small notch on the superior angle or the superior border known as the scapular notch. In fact हमारे पास दो तरह के tubercles भी आते हैं, that is are known as supraglenoid tubercle and the infraglenoid tubercle. Now we have to study the 18 muscles that are attached to the scapula. अब ये लगने में तो 18 मसल्स बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट लगता है लर्न करने में, बट उसको हम थोड़े से ट्रिक्स से याद कर सकते हैं और इजीली ये लर्न होगा. फर्स्टली वी हैव टू सी जो हमारे पास तीन फोसाई थे उनसे कौन कौन सी मसल्स अटैच्ड है. द फर्स्ट वन इज़ द सुप्रास्पाइनस, that is actually attached to the supraspinous fossa. The second one is the infraspinatus, that is attached to the infraspinous fossa here. Okay, now the third one is the subscapularis, that is actually attached to the subscapular fossa. अब नाम से ही पता चलता है कौन सी मसल किस जगह पर होगी. Now we have the three muscles that is actually attached to the dorsal lip of medial border, that is here. Okay, so the fourth one is the levator scapulae, that's on the upper angle to the crust. Rhomoid major and rhomoid minor. अगर आप देखेंगे rhomoid minor is actually in the middle of the or at the end of the spine, whereas the sixth rhomoid major is on the crust to inferior angle. Similarly, 3 to the dorsal lip of lateral border. अब कौन कौन से? 7th teres minor, teres major and latissimus dorsi. Latissimus dorsi actually it's on the back of inferior angle. That means अगर आप देखोगे मैंने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया था कि इन्फीरियर एंगल किस जगह पर होता है. सो दिस इज़ द इन्फीरियर एंगल. दिस इज़ द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द लैटिसमस डोर्साई. Teres major is actually on the lower one third of the scapulae, whereas the teres minor is on the upper two third of the scapulae on the lateral border. We have only one muscle on the ventral lip of medial border, that is serratus anterior, that is actually here. Two to the glenoid tubercle, long head of bicep, supraglenoid tubercle, long head of tricep, infraglenoid tubercle. 11 and 12 here. 11 and 12. 2 to the acromion and spine, that is 13 and 14 here. 13 and 14. They are deltoid and trapezius muscle. Deltoid muscle actually कहाँ पर होती है? On the lateral border of the acromion and the lower lip of the crust of the spine. अब देखो ये जो हमारे पास deltoid है ये एक्चुअली ऑन द लोअर लिप, ये जो आपको दिख रही है लोअर लिप ऑफ द क्रस्ट ऑफ द स्पाइन पर लोकेटेड है. वेयर इज द ट्रेपेजियम इसका अपोजिट में है, ऑन द मिडल बॉर्डर ऑफ द एक्रोमियन एंड द अपर लिप ऑफ द क्रस्ट ऑफ द स्पाइन, ऑन द अपर लिप ऑफ द क्रस्ट ऑफ द स्पाइन. ओके. Three muscles that are actually attached to the coracoid process, that is 15 and 16. Actually it's a arm muscle तो इस पर विजिबल नहीं है. That is short head of bicep and coracobrachialis. 17th muscle that is on the upper surface of the acromion, on the upper surface of the coracoid process, that is pectoralis minor. And the last muscle that is located on the upper border is inferior brachia of omoid. इस तरह हमारी 18 मसल प्रॉपरली डिटेलली क्लियर हो जाती है. Now we have left with the last topic, that is ligaments that are actually attached to the scapula. The first one is the suprascapular ligament that converts the notch to foramen. अब देखो we have a foramen like this, we have a notch like this, and जो suprascapular ligament है it actually is attached like this, making it like a foramen passage. Second one is the coracoclavicular ligament, which is formed of two parts, conoid ligament and trapezoid ligament. The third one is the coracoacromial ligament that is attached to the tip of the acromion, and the last one that is coracohumeral and glenoid humeral ligament to the humerus. इसी के साथ स्कैपुला पूरी तरीके से डिटेलली क्लियर हो जाता है.